Simple, this is quick, but it's freaking delicious. Christmas crack is awesome. First, place a single layer of crackers on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or foil. Put 1 cup of butter and 1 cup of brown sugar in a pan. Bring it to a boil. Turn down the heat a little bit. Keep on letting it go until it's about foamy. Let it set for a couple of minutes there, stirring the entire time. Then we're going to pour it over the crackers. Try to spread it evenly. We're going to put it in the oven for 5 minutes at 400 degrees. Once it's out of the oven, quickly put in at least 1 cup of chocolate chips. Over the top, cover it. Give it just a couple minutes to let it cool. If that, then spread it evenly over all of the crackers. Now, add sprinkles or nuts or M&M, some kind of candy. Let it cool and you're ready to eat. Christmas crack. Easy, simple, ready, quick, but utterly delicious for a last-minute Christmas treat. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, love y'all. Till the next Family Kitchen.